Good morning everyone! Ito po ang The Mindful Tito Podcast with me, Pop-Up Cardenas, where we share tips and lessons on having a better mindset as we grow older and becoming a happy human with a healthy mind. FYI, I'm here to share my life experiences, successes, and failures. The information presented in this podcast is to inspire people. I recommend seeking guidance from experts such as mental health advocates and other experts in the chosen field. But rest assured that all your feedback, comments, and suggestions are important to me to improve my content moving forward. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to another episode of The Mindful Tito, your safe space for self-reflection, kindness, and wisdom na may konting kurot sa puso para laging may halong pag-asa. Ako nga pala ulit si Pop-Up Cardenas, and today we are going to talk about something that hits close to home, especially for those of us who feel like we've missed the boat. Ang title ng episode natin, It's never too late. Have you ever caught yourself saying, sayang kung ginawa ko to noon. Matanda na ako para dyan. Or, wala na akong oras. Ang tanong, sino nagsabi sa inyo nun? Or tumatakbo lang yung mga tanong na yan sa isip natin? Sino ang nagsabing huli na ang lahat? Because here's the truth. It's never too late. It's never too late to start again, to dream again, and to try again. So let me tell you a quick story. There's this man named Cornel Sanders. Familiar ba kayo? Familiar ba ang pangalan? Kilala niyo ba yon? Ako sobrang idol ko yon kasi favorite ko yung fried chicken niya. Yun ang pinaka-favorito kong fried chicken sa lahat ng fast food. Yup, the man behind KFC. Alam niyo ba, he started franchising his famous chicken when he was 65 years old. Imagine that. Habang yung iba ay nagre-retire na, siya doon palang nagsisimula. And that's not just an exception. All around us, we see people reinventing themselves later in life. Mas lalo nung pandemic, di ba? Yung nanay na naging plantita tapos naging plant business owner. Yung dating tambay, ngayon fitness coach na. Yung dating OFW, nagsimulang magsulat ng poetry sa Wattpad, including ako na nagsimula gumawa ng first poetry book at the age of 36 and publish it last 2020. At nagsimula ng maliit na negosyo noong ako'y 40 years old na. Ang point ko lang dito ay, ang edad ay hindi hadlang. Minsan kasi, hindi talaga oras ang pumipigil sa atin para gawin ang mga pangarap natin. It's fear. Yung takot natin. Natatakot na mapahiya, natatakot na mag-fail, natatakot na mag-umpisa ulit habang yung iba parang ang layo na nang narating. But here's something to remember. Growth is not a race. You are not behind. You are not too late. You are exactly where you're meant to begin. What matters most is that the life you're creating feels true to you. Hindi yung para lang makisakay or makisabay. Hindi para lang masabi na, naabot mo na. But because deep down, this is what sets your heart on fire. Kaya mas maganda rin talaga na simulan na ngayon. There's no such thing as perfect timing, or sa darating na panahon, or sa tamang panahon. Start today. Siguro ngayon yung araw na you will enroll in that online class. Try to write your first short story or your first novel. Start that YouTube channel na matagal mo nang dinidelay. Learn how to swim. Or maybe, confess your feelings to someone na matagal mo nang gusto. Kasi why not? You owe it to yourself to try. So tandaan natin, time is going to pass anyway. So why not spend it doing something that could change your life? Remember, hindi pa huli ang lahat. Let's make peace with our past regrets. Let's be brave with our future choices. Let's be kind to ourselves in the present moment. Because the truth is, the best time to start was yesterday. But the next best time is today. Ganito. Sulat mo ito sa notebook mo or itype mo sa notes app mo. It's never too late. And more importantly, maniwala ka. And that's all we have for this episode. This has been your Mindful Tito, reminding you that life doesn't come with deadlines for happiness. Kung may gusto kang simulan, isang pangarap, isang project, isang bagong simula, do it. Stop making excuses and refrain from procrastinating. Gawin mo. So again, if this episode helped you, share it with someone na baka kailangan din marinig ito. And if may insights kayo or kwento about your mindset shift, DM nyo lang ako at Popop Cardenas on Instagram. But before I end this episode, I will truly appreciate it if you share this episode or even my podcast and my YouTube channel to your friends, to your colleagues, to your family, because I am more than happy to share good energy with people. Sa uulitin, ako po si Popop Cardenas and this is the Mindful Tito Podcast. Just a short message, don't be hard on yourself and avoid negative self-talk so you can also share kindness and good energy to the people around you. Again, my name is Popop at maraming salamat po.